see. We cannot see anything out of the windows. We are basically driving blind. The ice.
There's a strange creaking noise coming from more or less the entire car. If you listen closely, you'll hear it. You can wipe away the ice from the window, but it comes back within about 20 seconds. And that is the situation that we're in. Just to be clear, our lives depend heavily on a 1970s Soviet engine. But we have beer. A quick update, we're still in the snow, we're still in the fog, and our 1970s Soviet engine has broken down. At the very least, hopefully we'll get going once he changes the oil. We got going after the engine got going again, but visibility is at absolute zero. We cannot see the ground. Let me try and demonstrate. I see a little bit of grass. Oh yeah, it's cleared up somewhat. Mongolian winter is harsher than we expected. The French are falling asleep.
Germans are alert.
Here's the thing, we're gonna need those Germans in a worst case scenario because only they can read that stupid book. Training,
Ice training.
Gegen Erkaltung. Oh, kalt means cold. Well, visibility has increased. The windows are still freezing up quite badly, but there are no actual roads here, so it might be that we just lost the road and that we're going back to look for it. When I say lost the road, I mean the paths that other roads have or cars have cut. The tracks of the other cars. We're still in this blizzard conditions. I got some nice 3-ply toilet paper from the Germans and cleaned my windows so you can see out. Oh, look at the dog's head.
Oh.
I think we have to wait to see weather, okay? Because if we go there, we cannot to see road. Maybe we will lost.
Okay.
So it's dangerous.
Okay. Every time I hit my head, every time. After about 2 hours, the The blizzard cleared up. The weather's a little bit better. Oh, my window's completely frozen again. Oh, it's frozen on both sides. I can't even scratch it. But the blizzard has cleared up and we get to continue on our journey. Hopefully we'll get to reach the waterfall today. We left the Gur about half an hour ago or something like that, and we're back in the blizzard. I think we just ran straight back into the back end of it. But here, let me give you a look of what's going on. Oh, and also the windows are so iced up, I'm going to have to scratch them out again. Made it out the other end of the blizzard, but it kind of destroyed the road ahead of us, and that's going that way, so we might not be able to take that road, so that means we have to go a longer route. Avoiding the blizzard is getting tough. We just got lunch in this lovely establishment here. There's dogs to pet, and we also found this nice asphalt road that runs along there. We're going to try and chase that for 120k and then go the long way around. Hopefully that works out. Hopefully this is the end of the blizzard. Well, it's been a few hours, but it looks like we made it through the blizzard okay. The blizzard has cleared up. We passed quite a few cars that were stuck in the snow. We're still on the asphalt, still on the same road. We've decided to go somewhere else tonight instead of going